Hey everyone, it's Lisa Farkas, dietitian of the Wellness Center at Broward Health. While we're all at home, I thought I would share with you some basic, easy recipes that you can make out of pantry staples. One thing I always keep around is some whole grain pasta and some bean-based pastas. So one thing I like to have is whole grain pasta, such as this one. You can see it's 100% whole grain, and the ingredients right there say whole wheat flour, and that's what you want to look for, whole wheat. This one also contains 5 grams of fiber per 2 ounces of dry pasta. So if you have a scale at home, you can weigh it out, the dry weight. One thing I also like to have is a bean-based pasta. This is my favorite one. It's an edamame and mung bean fettuccine, and I really like this one because not only does it have 14 grams of fiber, but also it has 24 grams of protein. So you don't even have to add any additional protein. You're gonna get it all in this pasta. So I like to add some tomato sauce to it, or make it into an Asian type of dish with soy sauce, maybe a little sesame oil. You can Google different recipes, but I usually add some tomato sauce and whatever vegetables I have on hand. That's a great option. Keep frozen vegetables like spinach or broccoli, mushrooms, onions, fresh, frozen, it doesn't matter. Add it to your pasta dishes. And then always having a low sugar pasta sauce or marinara sauce like this one. I like this particular one along with many others because it has no sugar in the ingredients. So I recommend flip it over and just look at the ingredient list back there and make sure none of the ingredients have sugar in them. This one also says that it includes 0 grams of added sugar. So that's a great option for you. Again, remember to keep frozen vegetables on hand so you can toss them into your pasta dishes at any time. You can also add turkey meatballs, lean beef, lean ground turkey, and just make sure that whatever protein you add is lean. And I hope that helps. Hope everyone's doing well. Bye.